Hi guys, welcome to a new video here for Stuart Models. We are making a new building for a diorama layout, which probably take a few months to build. So we're actually going to make this. It's a construction exercise for an office block and basically wall. It was copied from Accessory Drawings. I'll show you on the computer. Better off. These, if they're on the it's on the computer. I'll show you. Sorry. So basically, so very small. It's going to be. Sorry, basically all it's going to be this. So that's the building there. It's done in CAD. It's just done in a PVF. Then it's transferred to print it onto the drawing sheets. Then it's printed out onto the board. Then we're going to use these guys as part of the diorama. Is the Wilbert tower cranes from Conrad. As you can see, there's two of them, and there's just the lift shaft from another layout that I'm going to use. And we're going to be making BAM construction porta cabins, as you can see. And we're going to use a base wall. That's Conrad Wilbert tower cranes, a mobile crane for this site. So one crane will go here and the other crane will actually go in here, but this grey board here is the template, so it'll be cut out, but the actual model is 6 stories high, so it's going to be basically all as you can see. Sorry, it's going to be that. So they're the sections for the model. They have to be printed out, but they have to be changed into CAD, but they're actually basically all. That's just the floor plan what this site is, but there's more drawings. So basically all, there's the sections there. Sorry. So that's what the layout, the model layout is going to be. So basically all, that's to be made. So the building is to be cut the exact same size as they are on the A3, so they have to be cut and sized. So basically all that's going to be, but at the moment they're going to be done on this. If I can find it. So basically I'll show you in depth. Sorry, just the computer's very slow at the moment, so basically that's what I'm actually going to make. And it's going to be 6 stories high, so it's going to be a very big model. So at the moment it's done on CAD. So that's the base plate, the foundations where it's drawn. Then the vertical sections of the building, which is there. So they're to be drawn and printed. So there's the scale print. The grey print is without all the architectural measurements, as you can see. they're going to be printed like that without all the measurements. It means that all the construction lines and measurements won't be on the actual physical model when it's finished. So it's going to be for a diorama model. Hopefully it'll be finished in a few months for a show for September. So that's one of the cranes. 2 cranes, there's 4 cranes to be on site, but 1 crane will actually have, as I just pause it for a sec. Sorry. So basically all the crane sections, 1 crane will be on that. Will actually be on that for a diorama, so that the cranes are being brought to the construction site. So hopefully you enjoy this. There's more to be coming in the next few months. So talk to you later.